Meaning of disconcert.
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 Disconcert. The word disconcert means to unsettle, confuse, or disturb someone's composure. When someone is disconcerted, they may become nervous, agitated, or disoriented. This can result in a loss of confidence or a failure to perform well in a particular situation. Disconcerting situations can be caused by various factors such as unexpected news, sudden changes, or unfamiliar surroundings. In short, the result of disconcerting someone is that they become destabilized and unable to maintain their usual level of calmness and focus.